Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Eyes Fashion. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive trendy daily wear collections only for you. So let me display pure handloom one, very smart and trendy looks, beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton fabric and all over self weaving stripes with contrast color highlighted border. This one full base part, very smart and fresh looks, pure handloom cotton fabric all over self weaving fine stripes all over base, and this one is silk material contrast color border highlighted golden zari lines, and this one beautiful weaving buta design, multicolor hand weaving box pattern buta, very trendy and smart look, soft lightweight. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions contrast color highlighted stripes with beautiful hand weaving buta work pallu, very smart look and very soft one, summer friendly, same material. Today I have draped different color only, and this one border, and all over base part is multicolor weaving buta work, and I will suggest this cotton fabric fully printed buta contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart daily looks. Very nice color combinations, yellow shade, very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton fabric self weaving stripes all over base contrast border, and this one full base part, very trendy and fresh look. This portion is border portions, contrast color highlighted border, and all over base part is self weaving stripes design and multicolor weaving buta work, very trendy and smart look, soft comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions fully contrast color highlighted stripes pattern with buta work pallu, and this one is border portions, very smart and elegant looks, and I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and fresh look. And this one also very beautiful one, nice color combination, same material. Today I have draped very soft one and easy drapable also, and premium quality handloom cotton contrast border and all over self weaving stripe, same pattern with multicolor weaving buta design, very elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions contrast color highlighted stripes with beautiful weaving buta design work pallu. This one is beautiful pallu and very soft one, summer friendly, smart, trendy, bright really looks, and I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And this one also very beautiful one, smart one, bright maroon red maroon shade, contrast yellow border, same material, same pattern, self weaving fine stripes all over base, contrast color border, and all over base part is beautiful hand weaving buta design, and this one is pallu portions, contrast color highlighted stripes with buta work pallu, and this one full base part, very elegant and smart fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over base, and I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And this one also premium quality cotton fabric with beautiful ikat design, kotki ikat design, very trendy and smart looks. This one is full base part, and this one is border portions contrast color with highlighted golden zari stripes lines border, and ikat pattern all over base with beautiful kotki stripes, very elegant and smart trendy look, and premium quality khadi cotton base, soft comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, ikat and kotki combined work, very nice one and very soft comfortable premium quality khadi, and I will suggest this cotton fabric fully printed with stitching stripes work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and elegant looks. Very beautiful one, cotton slab material with fine temple pattern, weaving design work, border, very trendy and smart looks, based for your daily wear, office wear. Very smart one. This one is beautiful parrot green shade with beautiful contrast color, threaded temple pattern, weaving design, highlighted border, and this one is all over base part, cotton slab, soft one, summer friendly. This one is pallu portion, beautiful highlighted stripes with nice pom design work pallu, and very smart and elegant looks. This one is full base part, very beautiful one, and this one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one, very nice color combination, same material, same pattern, pink shade, baby pink shade, temple pattern, weaving design work, border, and all over base part is cotton slab material, very soft one, summer friendly, smart, elegant, bright looks. This one is full base part, and this portion is fully temple pattern, weaving design work, highlighted border, and this one, pallu portions, contrast color, stripes pattern, pallu with beautiful pom design, and this one, full base part, very elegant looks, baby pink base, contrast black border, and I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. In a very beautiful bright color combinations, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab material, all over sequin stripes design with beautiful jamdani butta, very exclusive one. This one is full base part is beautiful sequin stripes with hand weaving jamdani butta and handloom cotton silk material, and this one, pallu portions, beautiful jamdani butta with highlighted stripes pattern pallu. This one is beautiful weaving work and highlighted sequin stripes design, very trendy and fresh looks, beautiful hand weaving work, and this one, full base part, very elegant looks, sequin stripes design with highlighted jamdani butta, hand weaving jamdani butta design all over base, and this portion is, upper base part, and this portion is golden zari highlighted stripes, this portion is split section, golden zari stripes, and this portion is jamdani butta with sequin work, very elegant look. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one, very beautiful one, same material, same pattern, same work, different color combinations, handloom cotton silk material, sequin stripes design with jamdani butta, very exclusive one, and bright color combinations. This one, pallu portions, sequin highlighted stripes with hand weaving jamdani butta work, multicolor, very trendy and fresh looks, bright daily looks, very beautiful one, and this one, full base part, sequin stripes design. This portion is upper base part, half portions, and half portion is golden zari highlighted stripes, golden zari portions is split section, and this one is running blouse piece, this one is pleats, and this one is upper base part, very exclusive one, and I will suggest this silk material fully designer blouse piece, mirror with embroidery work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Same material, same pattern, baby pink base, bright baby pink shade with hand weaving work, same material, same pattern, handloom cotton silk sequin jamdani butta work. This one, full base part, very bright and smart looks, fully hand weaving jamdani work with sequin stripes design, and this one, full base part, very trendy and fresh looks, jamdani hand weaving butta, sequin stripes design, and this portion is split section. This one is golden zari highlight stripes, this one is running blouse piece, and this one all over base, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and bright daily looks. And this one, very elegant one, pure white base with jamdani butta and sequin work, very exclusive combinations. This one is pure handloom cotton silk material with jamdani hand weaving jamdani small butta with sequin stripes design, and this one, pallu portions, sequin stripes with hand weaving butta work pallu, and this one is full base part, very elegant and fresh look, sequin stripes with butta design, and this one is full base part, very trendy and fresh looks, and this portion is stripe section, split section, stripes, golden zari stripes, and this portion is sequin stripes design, very exclusive one, pure white base, and this one is running blouse piece, very nice one, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding elegant looks. A very beautiful one, premium quality khadi cotton base with fine hand weaving border work, very smart and trendy looks. This one very beautiful one, soft, comfortable, summer friendly with fine hand weaving border work, and this one is all over base part, very exclusive one, premium quality khadi cotton base, all over plain with fine hand weaving border work, very exclusive smart looks. And this one pallu portions highlighted contrast color stripes, and pallu in beautiful pom-pom design, and this one full base part and very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, based for your daily wear, office wear, very smart looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart and fresh looks. And this one very elegant one, white base, pure khadi cotton base, contrast highlighted stripes border, and very nice looks of white base, contrast color border, and pallu, very trendy and fresh looks. This one full base part, this portion is border portions, contrast color highlighted stripes pattern border, and full base part is of white base, soft one, summer friendly, premium quality khadi cotton base, and this one is pallu portions highlighted contrast color stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, very exclusive trendy looks, elegant obviously. This one is full base part, and this one running blouse piece, contrast color running blouse piece, and this one is all over base, pure khadi piece. And this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart elegant looks. In a very beautiful bright color combination, yellow shade, cotton silk material, all over butta work, floral butta, and highlighted contrast color temple pattern weaving design border. This one full base part, this portion is border portions, contrast color highlighted stripes with temple pattern weaving design work border, and full base part is floral butta design, handloom cotton silk material, soft one, and this one pallu portions, contrast color highlighted stripes pattern pallu. This portion is pallu portions, and this one full base part, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is all over base part, handloom cotton silk with floral butta, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very nice looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart and fresh looks. And this one very beautiful fashionable looks, based for your daily wear also, handloom semi organza base with beautiful printed one, all over base, very smart looks, semi organza base, all over printed one with self weaving design work, all over base, very trendy and fresh looks. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful printed one, and very soft, comfortable, lightweight, very lightweight. This one is full base part, all over printed with self weaving stripes design. This one is contrast color running blouse piece, and this one is all over base, very lightweight. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. In a very beautiful one, semi organza base with beautiful printed one, very smart and elegant looks, and with beautiful color combinations also, and very lightweight. This one is full base part, and this portion is pallu portions, beautiful printed one, and all over base self weaving design work, beautiful print, and this one is all over base, very lightweight, comfortable, semi organza base with printed one, all over self weaving stripes. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very elegant and smart fresh looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks, trendy smart daily looks. And today I have dipped a beautiful saree, very nice looks, cotton fabric, contrast color border, all over silk weaving stripes work with jamdani buta, multicolor hand weaving jamdani buta, and this one is pallu portions, contrast color green shaded stripes with beautiful fine hand weaving jamdani buta work, very smart and bright looks, best for your daily wear. Beautiful saree with earrings also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. And beautiful blouse also, cotton fabric blouse. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.